Are you overwhelmed by all the different canvases? Join me as I try to navigate the world of art canvases and pick the perfect one for my next painting. Today we're diving into sometimes the overwhelming world of art canvases. There are so many choices, it can make your head spin. But don't worry, I'm here to break it all down and help you choose the perfect canvas for your next art piece. Maybe we should say masterpiece. Choosing the right art canvas is a crucial step in the creative process, and it's an important decision that can impact the final result of your artwork. From cotton to linen to pre-stretch to canvas boards, the choices seem endless. And to make matters worse, different painting styles require different types of canvases, adding an extra layer of complexity to the decision-making process. For instance, oil painters may prefer a specific type of canvas that can handle thick, heavy brush strokes, while watercolor artists might need a canvas that's more flexible and absorbent. The challenge is real, and it's easy to get stuck in the process of choosing the right canvas. Did you know there's a science to choosing the right canvas? From the weave to the weight, it all impacts your final piece. But what if I told you it's not just about finding the right perfect canvas, but also about understanding your own unique needs as an artist? Your personal style, your medium of choice, and even your budget can play a role in determining which canvas is best for you.
So how do you narrow down your options and find the perfect fit?
That's exactly what we're going to explore today. But let's start with the basics. Canvases are typically made of either cotton or linen. They come in a variety of different weaves, weights, sizes. Then you have different formats like stretch canvases, canvas panels, canvas rolls. When we think about different canvases, we have lightweight. That's about 4 to 5 ounces, level 1 you would see at Michael's. This is the thinnest and lightest of the 3 options. It has a smoother surface with a less pronounced weave. Some of the cons could be it's less durable, it can be more prone to tearing and damage. Let me tell you, I've been there. It may not be suitable for heavy paint applications or larger canvases. But what about the pros? It's easy to stretch and ideal for detailed work. Portraits with very fine lines and smooth blends. It's also very affordable. The next level is the medium weight. That's about a 7 to 8 ounce. That's a level 2 when you go to Michael's. It's a good balance between the light and heavy weight. It offers a good balance of durability and workability. But what are the cons? It may not be as smooth as a lightweight canvas for very fine details and not as robust as heavyweight canvases for larger works or impasto techniques. Now, when we think about heavyweight canvases, those are about 10 to 12 ounce or level 3 gallery wrap at Michael's when you see her, just gallery wrap. They're the thickest and most durable option. It has a pronounced weave and of rougher textures. When I think about some of the pros, it's extremely strong, resistant to tearing and damage. This is on a gallery wrap. It's ideal for large-scale portraits, heavy paint applications, impasto techniques. What are the cons? It can be difficult to stretch and may require more paint to fill in the weave. The rough texture may not be suitable for highly detailed work. But do you know the difference between a traditional canvas and a gallery wrap canvas? And when to use them? In a traditional canvas, the canvas is stretched over a frame. Those are called stretcher bars, and it's secured on the back. The sides of the frame are left exposed. These canvases are typically designed to be placed within a picture frame. With the gallery wrap canvas, the canvas is stretched around the stretcher bars and secured to the back, but the canvas also extends around the sides of the frame. This creates a continuous image from the front to the sides.
But you ask, why is this important?
Gallery wrap canvases offer a clean contemporary look. They don't require a frame, although they can be framed if desired. Stay tuned because later in the video I'm going to share a budget-friendly option, especially for studies and/or smaller works. Let's talk about linen canvas. Linen is a stronger, more durable fiber than cotton. It has a more pronounced texture, which some artists prefer. And linen is less prone to stretching or sagging over time, and it makes a great choice for archival quality artwork. The weave of the canvas refers to how tightly the fibers are woven together. A tighter weave results in a smoother surface, while a looser one has more texture. The weave you choose depends on your painting style and the effect that you want to achieve. Basic linen can be sourced from various regions like France or Italy. Generally, they have a good quality linen fibers, but may have a slight variation in textures and weave. It may have more of an open or less consistent weave compared to what the quality of a Belgian linen. Texture can vary, but may be slightly coarser. Typically, the price is more affordable than Belgian linen also. When we think about Belgian linen, this is specifically from Belgium, known for its high quality flax cultivation and processing. The fiber quality is considered the highest linen fibers, known for their strength, durability, and smooth texture. The weave can be tighter or more consistent, resulting in a smoother and a more even surface. Generally, Belgian linen is more expensive due to the superior fiber quality and craftsmanship. That's a hard word to say. Also, it has a tight weave, which provides an ideal surface for detailed work and smooth paint application. But also, Belgian linen is known for its subtle sheen, which can really enhance the vibrancy of colors. Many Belgian linen canvases are made with archival quality materials, ensuring the longevity of artwork.
When would you choose one?
A good choice for artists seeking a high-quality linen canvas at a more affordable price point is suitable for various painting techniques and different styles. That's really when you want to go with the basic linen. But if you're looking at the Belgian linen, it's ideal for artists who prioritize the highest quality materials. They desire a smooth, refined surface for their work. I see often preferred by professional artwork, commissions, and archival pieces. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs, your budget, and artistic preferences. But both basic and Belgian linen offer excellent qualities for painting. But let's talk about canvas rolls. Canvas rolls are exactly what they sound like. It's a roll of canvas fabric. This is the most economic option if you're painting in large quantities or need different type of custom sizes. You will have to stretch the canvas yourself, which requires some extra tools and effort and gives you the total control over the size and tension of your canvas. Canvases, they can come primed or unprimed. And when I talk about priming, priming creates a surface that's ready to accept paint. When you think about most pre-stretched canvases, they come pre-primed already with gesso, which is more of a white acrylic primer.
If you buy unprimed canvas, you need to prime it yourself.
Canvas rolls offer significant advantages in terms of cost, customization, control, but they also require a lot more time, effort, and skill compared to the pre-stretched canvases. They are a great choice for artists who paint frequently, who needs custom sizes, and they want a complete control over their materials. It may not be the best option for beginners or those who paint occasionally.
So you ask, which canvas should you choose?
It really depends on your budget, your painting style, and of course your preferences. But I would recommend for beginners starting with more of the pre-stretched, pre-primed cotton canvases. A lot of those you can find at Hobby Lobby or Michael stores are great. And as you gain more experience, you can also experiment with different types of linen weaves and sizes. Now, also there's another one. There's canvas panels. They're made by adhering a canvas to a rigid backing like cardboard or wood. They're lightweight, they're portable. It's a great budget-friendly option, especially for studies or smaller works. They're also a good option for mixed media work. The rigid, flat shape makes canvas panels easy to transport and store. They stack up neatly and don't take up as much space as bulky stretch canvases do. This is particularly beneficial for artists with limited studio space and those who enjoy painting outdoors. Canvas panels are suitable for various painting mediums, including oils, acrylics, and even some mixed media techniques. They can also be used for mounting other art materials like paper, photographs. However, canvas panels also have some limitations. Canvas panels are typically available in a more limited range of sizes compared to stretch canvases or canvas rolls. Due to their rigid nature, they are not typically used for very large scale paintings. Large panels can become quite heavy. While durable, the backing of some canvases, like cardboard, may not be acid-free, which could potentially affect the longevity of the artwork over a very long period of time. Look for panels made of archival quality backing if this is a concern. Now, you're armed with canvas knowledge and you're ready to take art to the next level. In future videos, we'll be exploring different painting techniques and some mediums starting with gesso. My next video is all about how to properly gesso your canvases, so to make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on the essential steps along with transferring your reference materials in various ways. And if you haven't already seen it, my previous video on how I fix my portrait painting lighting problems easily is linked below. Ta-da! Thanks for watching. And remember, always dream the possibilities.